Yes, guys, always have a plan B. The inmates were my plan B and it worked out great. They came in 2.5 days. Then I also hired them 2 more days to carry blocks to where the foundation was dug. Okay, so that's what it is. So yes, guys, I know what you're thinking. You're probably thinking, why are they around inmates with weapons? Yes, for some reason, the inmates in Ghana are very obedient. We've been working with them. They always have knives, shovels, pickaxe, and nothing happens. They don't even try and run away. So there. It's getting real. It doesn't look like they'll finish today. Maybe 2 more times. Papa. Still have a long way to go. This is how far we got for day 1. They're gonna leave in like 45 minutes. They'll come for day 2 tomorrow. Hopefully they'll finish. It's very dry. It is dry season after all, so it's very dry. There's lots of stones. So it's gonna take a few days. Hopefully tomorrow they'll be done. For me, it's new. Soon 20. So since you're your pepper in here. Yeah. The one say I need to kind of your notch. Oh my you. Oh my temper. Oh pepper, sorry. You need to come because some for when me had much na eye. It's Hamatan, so it's super dry. So it's not going as fast. I left at 2 yesterday, they left at 3. Well, they stopped at 3. And that's how far they got. And the 92 feet is down on this side. That's the masons labor standing in there, double checking that they have the depth right. So it's going. I doubt they'll finish today because they said it's Hamatan, right? So the ground is tough. Plus there's a lot of rocks in there, so it's making it harder for them to dig. I'm leaving in about 30 minutes. don't think we'll finish. Still have a few. So maybe tomorrow one set. We'll finish it. All these are done. There. And the bottom is also done. That one's almost done. So basically, sorry. And say, in the movie. Okay. Martin, when the Martin. Yo. Complete. This is the last 92 feet. And then the other side, which is 179, is almost complete too. So they'll be done in 1 hour time. Yeah. It's just early in the morning, so I'm going to let them carry some blocks closer here. So my poor pickup truck, so they put it on the back and then we drive to the foundation, then they offload it. And then we come back. Oh gosh, it's a whole lot of work. That poor red truck is suffering. But hey, that's why we brought it. It's for the farm, so on we work. So I got tired driving back and forth after a while, so my worker took over, the guy in the orange, and I was just watching. Yeah. The prisoners are transported with a red truck here. They finished the foundation yesterday. It took them 2.5. Then they used a half day to bring some of the blocks. As you can see all along there. And today I brought them in, 2 sets to carry all the blocks. There's a lot there still. So I'm hoping they'll finish today, so I don't have to bring them in again. With transportation and tools, it was like 600 for the 3 days. And then today is going to be 560 with transportation, because each set, 1 guard, 4 prisoners, is 200. And then transportation, if you pick them up, then it's good. If you don't pick them up, then you pay 80 for both ways. So times 2 is 160 plus the 400, 560 a day. So yeah, update. This building is huge. 10,000 capacity, as you can see. Super huge. So yes, they did not finish, but they got a lot done. So they didn't come again. And going forward, I'll bring them in if I need them to carry more. So yeah, for the 4 days of work, I spent 2,360, which is good, because with machine full day was going to be 2,300, and then I would have paid for manpower to fix the foundation because they can't. So with this, I got the foundation exactly how I wanted it. Plus they carried lots of blocks. So sometimes when things don't go your way, it's a blessing in disguise. So I'm glad. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. And until next time, smile. See miracles in life every day. Bye.